Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? S plus ant plus a. Sant a. Claw plus Z. Claus. Santa Claus. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene.
Hello, Alex. You like that?
Santa has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. We have two new players to introduce today because on yesterday's program we sent away a champion who had just won a brand new car. So let's welcome the newcomers. And since we have our attention directed towards the gentleman, we will introduce him first. His name is Jim Gordon. Gorman.
Oh, good Irishman.
Gorman. Merry Christmas from NBC. Now, let me ask you something, Jim. Is this your own T-shirt that you had printed up, or did the publicity folks here at NBC ask you to wear this?
They had nothing to do with it. My aunt suggested it, and I went over to a shop and had it made up this week.
Good for you. And that hat?
This hat belongs to my Uncle Cal, and he told me to wear it for good luck. He says I'm almost there anyhow, so just wear the hat.
So you kind of listen to what your relatives tell you all the time.
My aunt do and Uncle Cal watch the show all the time, and they're down here. They're not here at the show, but they're sending the.
They're watching.
Yeah, they're watching, all right.
Okay, Jim. Good to have you here. No, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I'm not the kind of guy who would do something like that. Let's say hi to his opponent, Carolyn Manley. Hello, Carolyn. Well, Carolyn, did the NBC publicity folks ask you to wear that red sweater?
No, they didn't.
No, this was your idea?
You bet.
It wasn't an idea you got from an uncle or an aunt?
No, just me.
Where are you from?
Sacramento.
Yeah? What do you do?
I'm a registered nurse in a
That's
surgery
good.
center, a wake-up nurse in the recovery room.
In the recovery room? Oh, those are nice.
Yeah.
You're the first smiling face we
That's
get
right.
to see after
That's
surgery.
Right.
You were very important. Your kind of person is very important in my life on a number of occasions, I'll tell you. Let's go over here and we will show you one of the great prizes you two are playing for in this first game today.
You can't get any further from the North Pole than this, as you and a guest trade in your ski boots for swimsuits on the beautiful big island of Hawaii. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Hotel King Kamehameha, rich in Hawaiian history, ideally situated in the heart of the quaint seaside village of Kailua on the Kona coast, where tennis, spa, luau's, deep-sea fishing, and much more await you. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Gene's excited about the holiday, and so are Jim and Carolyn. Let's take a look on the board, and we'll show you where you will find the vacation in Kona, Hawaii at number 25. And Carolyn, you get to select first.
Okay, well, I really want that trip to Hawaii. Let's see if the trip to Hawaii is under number 1.
Red Take is what we have there.
Okay, let's see if I can match that under number 8.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite restaurant. No match, so we go to Jim.
Won't go hungry. Well, I like to work in that upper right corner there. I'll say number 4.
Kona, Hawaii.
Oh, how about that? Did I forget already? No.
Shoot.
25. No way. Hey, all right. Oh,
Folks,
gotta solve it.
we know already it's going to be one of those days. I mean, Jim is answering his own questions, and I'm here merely as a spectator. Watch.
I'm sorry.
Let's open these 2 panels for Jim Gorman.
Oh, loose lips sink ships?
Is it loose lips sink ships? No, it is not, but a valiant try, Jim.
Oh, there's a ship, that's all it's
You bet, you bet. Go again.
Oh, let's go. We'll try the other side with number 2.
200 California lottery tickets.
Get lucky. And the center of the board, 13.
Nope, there's a red take.
I
Carolyn?
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I want the red take under number 1.
Correct.
And I want the other red take under number 13.
And do you want to use it immediately, Or do you want to use a little strategy and
I
wait?
think I'm going to wait a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait.
Even though he's got the
Yeah,
Hawaii
I'm going to
vacation.
take it, but I'm waiting until later.
Ah, that's the kind of woman you want in your life. One who's going to do you dirt, but she tells you in advance and she says, I'll do it to you later.
That's right.
Not right now.
You can think about
Keeps
it.
you on your toes. Keeps you thinking. All right, Carolyn, take a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Okay, number 11.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
Okay, let me see if I can find a wild card or the carpet cleaner under number 21.
Silver gift certificate. No match. Jim?
It's going up, too. All right, let's look under that upper quarter again, number 9. Oh.
Green take.
And wild card or the take number 10, right next door.
Nope. Silver gift certificate. Carolyn, he helped you again.
Oh, good. Okay, now remember that silver gift certificate is on number 21.
Yes.
And the match under number 10.
You are right. You earned another look at the puzzle and another opportunity to use your take.
I think I'm going to wait.
Your decision. Open it up. Pick again.
Okay, let's see if I can find a wild card under number 3.
Yes, you did.
Okay, number 9 for the green tape.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dirty pool strategy here, folks. Dirty pool strategy.
Okay.
Not fair. She already had the red one. The other green one, by the way, is on the bottom line. Jim is saying save it.
No way, I want that trip to Hawaii so
All right.
bad. Okay.
Use it right now, she says. Use it or lose it. That's what we say in the military. Well, let's open these 3 panels now that Carolyn has a shot at the Hawaii holiday.
This is hard.
Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
200 California
And I
lottery
remember
tickets.
that the lottery tickets are under number 2.
Right.
That's going to be tough.
Another prize for Carolyn and another look at the puzzle. It's too early for you to
Don't know
start
what it
worrying,
is,
Jim,
no.
because believe me, this is a tough
Yeah,
puzzle.
we'll see that.
It's
She's
hard.
good.
Carolyn?
Okay, let's see what's under number 7.
Electronic keyboard.
Okay, let's look under number 24.
Electronic keyboard. Did it naturally. Whoa.
I want a saliva test.
Uh-huh. I don't blame you. Let's open these 2 panels up.
Boy, that's hard.
Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Another wild card.
Okay, I'll just see if I can open up the puzzle under number 18.
Dinner for 2 at your favorite
okay, that
restaurant. We
was
saw
number
that
8.
up higher a little earlier at number 8. So those 3 doors open up. Carolyn, there is still 1 wild card on the board.
Okay, I want to see what's under number 19.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
Okay, and that's under number 11.
Deluxe carpet cleaner. Jim, is she running out of space, do you think?
I'm sorry I found Hawaii.
Let's open these 2 doors for Carolyn.
If I just knew what the puzzle was.
Yeah, that's the whole problem on this show.
Yeah.
People have to figure out what the puzzles are.
That's right.
If it weren't for that, I mean, boy, would we have fun? Just give our players the prizes. Select again, Carolyn.
Okay, I'd like to find I don't even know what's up. Let's see what's under number 5.
High-tech binoculars. I was
Okay.
about to say that there are prizes up there that we haven't seen, and that's one of them.
Okay, let me see what's under number 17.
High-tech binoculars. Who cares that she hasn't seen it? Who cares? She's just making these natural matches, not wasting the wild card. Open it up. Select again. There is 1 wild card to help you out.
Okay, let me see what's under number 14.
Diamond necklace. 50-50 shot for you
Yeah.
right now, Carolyn.
Okay, let me see what's under number 22.
Diamond necklace. Believe it, the necklace is going to be yours if you solve the puzzle. Open these 2 doors, and then we'll open 12, 15, and 20. Sewing machine and the wild card. And now, Carolyn, for every prize in this game, and boy, has that happened a lot lately, every prize hinges on your solving this puzzle. Do it. Jim, can you solve it?
Coal miner's daughter.
Is it coal miner's daughter? Yes. Did it just come to you?
No, I know it, but I couldn't get in. When the mine and the ores and the daughters, you know, it had to be coal.
Let's go to the board, Jim. Let's see how good you do at, how well you do at explaining it on the board.
All right. Over here we have the K, the hole. The goose really threw me, but the K, the hole, the mine, the ores for coal, mine, ores, and then the dot above the J, and then the tier. Coal miner's daughter.
All right, well done. Now, Carolyn.
Sorry, Carol.
He's sorry, and I know you're sorry, too.
Yeah.
But you didn't have a clue?
I did not know what that was.
Well, you played the game very well. You made the matches, you accumulated the prizes, so perhaps you'll be a lot luckier and more fortunate in game number 2. We'll find out. We'll see you for that one.
Okay.
Jim, you're going to go into the winner's circle in a moment, but first we've got to take a break for these messages. Jim figured out the puzzle, but as he said, he couldn't get in. Carolyn was using her great skill to make those natural matches. She didn't even need that wild card at the end. But now we're going to find out how well you play this round. You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, 15 numbered squares. Be nice to celebrate Christmas for the brand. Wait a minute. We got to put the clock up there.
Oh, well, I thought I had all night.
No. Here's the clock, 35 seconds. Now, good luck.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
1, 6.
Right.
7, 9.
No.
10, 5.
No.
11, 5.
No.
12, 3,
No.
2, 8,
No.
10, 2,
Right.
13, 8,
No.
15, 4,
Yep.
5.
Tough, huh?
Yeah, I made a few mistakes and I just couldn't get back on track.
Yeah. I wondered why you stayed away from that bottom line. You didn't go to 13, 14, or 15 until right at the very end. But
Well,
it's okay.
my calculations, they usually don't match those with the bottom line. They come.
Oh, really? So you've been watching the show a lot at home, taping programs?
For 2 years, I don't miss the show. I tape most of them and then I play them back with the sound off.
That's a good way. A lot of people like me when I have the sound off. We'll be back. Welcome back. We are about to show you one of the prizes we have for these two contestants in our second game. And it occurs to me, and I hope it will occur to you at the same time, that it's been a while since we have seen these kinds of little creatures. Take a look and you'll see what I mean.
A distinctive-looking solid brass cradle with canopy furnished by Swan Brass Beds, plus a lovely cradle ensemble furnished by Mia Armand. Alex.
Thank you, Gene and Marjorie. Marjorie's having a good time in that cradle. Carolyn and Jim will show you where you can find it on the board. The brass cradle at number 12. Now, this is our second game of the day, so we have the 5 bonus seconds in this one. Good. We have the cash pot resuscitated. We've got $500 in it and a holiday in Las Vegas. And Carolyn, terrible loss for you in that first game. Over $13,000 in prizes, so make up for it in this one. Go to work.
Okay, number 1.
Gold bracelet.
Okay, let me see what's behind number 8.
Electric range. No match. Jim.
Well, we'll start off again up in that corner with number 4.
Cash pot.
Oh, you use money. And we'll look for a wild card or the cash pot under number 15.
Las Vegas holiday. No match. Carolyn.
Okay, I'd like to go to Las Vegas, too. Okay, let's see what's behind number 21.
Red take.
Okay. Oh, I really want to match that red take. Let's look under number 11.
Gold bracelet. No match. Jim.
My wife would love that. Number 1.
Gold bracelet.
And number 11 for that bracelet.
There it is. The first match goes to Jim, and he gets the first look at this puzzle. Oh, gosh.
Oh.
Does this look
Looks like my uncle.
Your uncle? Whoa.
Well, he's got more hair. Let's see if we can't find that trip under 13.
Grandfather clock.
Oh, that's all right. Tell time, though. And look for it under 23.
Camping package. No match. Carolyn.
Okay, let me see what's behind number 3, please.
Camping package.
Let's get that under number 23.
There you go. A match for you and an opportunity to study a little bit more of the puzzle. Unfortunately, not very much. Select.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 25, please.
Gourmet pasta and sauces.
Okay, let me see what's behind number 5.
Cash pot, no match. Jim wants the pasta.
Yeah, I could use it. Let's look under the left corner then, down in 17.
All right, 17 is an electric range.
Gee, did we see that under number 22?
No, that's the grandfather clock. Carolyn.
Okay, I'm going to go under number 17 for the range.
Right.
And I'm going to match that under number 8.
That's a match. And a prize for you. And a look at the puzzle.
All right.
You're ready to make another match.
I know I am. I'm thinking ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I want the cash pot under number 5 and under number 4.
That's $500. We'll open those two. And if you can't solve it, keep your thoughts so you can make another match. Do it.
Okay, I want the grandfather clock under number 13.
Yes, and the match?
And the match is under number 22.
Boy, is this girl sharp?
Yeah, she got them down.
Yes, if she could just solve the puzzle, that would help. Open these two doors. We'll see if this helps. Go again, Carol.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 2, please.
Gourmet pasta with
Okay.
sauces.
And that's behind number 25.
Yes, it is. And another match for you, another chance to tie up this match. Can you do it? Go again.
Okay, I'd like to see what's behind number 9, please.
Red take.
Oh, good. Okay, that's behind number 21.
Oh,
Boy, yes, red take. You want to use it now? The gold bracelet's up there.
I think I better wait because there's a trip still up there.
I want a saliva test. She's
Open it up.
uncanny.
Select again. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance for the tape because we're out of time. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing. Number 6, 7, 10, 12, 14, 15. Carolyn's in first.
Chain of command.
Looks like this young lady has won some prizes. Chain of command. Yes, come on, Carolyn. You get to explain it this time. Well done.
Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. Well, I know that's the chain, and that's off. Oh, it's a comb. I kept thinking that was a cock. I could, okay, command, chain of command. I didn't know whatever that was.
That's all right. Chain of command is correct, and you got it right. And Jim, we'll see you the next time we play a regular game. So long for now. But Carolyn, let's listen to Gene as he tells you about these prizes. Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, a camping package, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a camping package or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and gourmet pasta and sauces. Pasta Mama brings convenience to gourmet cooking with its designer line of pasta. Everything from fettuccine Alfredo to their line of dessert pastas and sauces furnished by Pasta Mama. And an electric range, a Whirlpool electric range with self-cleaning oven, electronic solid-state digital meal timer clock, lift-up cooktop for cleaning ease, and balanced cooking system furnished by Whirlpool. And a grandfather clock. This Wurlitzer grandfather clock is designed to become a family heirloom. The Montrose in vintage cherry features beveled glass and rotating moon dial, gracefully elegant, furnished by Wurlitzer. And Carolyn, this makes up a little for all those prizes you didn't win, because you won prizes worth $4,687.
And she'll be playing for a car right after this. Time is short, so let's get right to it. 15 numbered squares for Carolyn. This is her first time up here, so 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
Okay, 1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 1,
Yes.
10, 6,
No.
4, 10,
Right.
13, 3,
Yes.
okay, 2, 5,
No.
8, 11,
No.
2, 11,
Right.
14, 15,
No.
5, 15,
Right.
6, 8.
Just too short, but you were good. You were good. You had a good pattern going for you. $4,687. That's good also. We'll take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive from Krupp's, world famous for quality, reliability, and excellent design, a great kitchen startup set. Includes powerful handstand mixer, coffee maker and mill, and universal citrus press. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
We'll see you soon.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.